Welcome back to the channel, guys. I tell the video, you already know what's going down, is Jollibee time. And if you don't know what Jollibee is, so best of the best, better than Popeyes, better than KFC, and better than what's the other one?
Church's.
Oh yeah, Church's chicken. And of course, better than Chick-fil-A. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go. So you guys will definitely get to hear what the Borla exhaust sounds like. And of course you guys already know that these F Sports, they all have really good intakes from the factory. The one thing about the Lexus engineers is they are not deaf. They definitely know what sounds good. Mark Levinson sounds good, and that F Sport intake sounds really good too. Take it easy. Car sounds like. So I'm not sure how good the exhaust is being captured on clip, but yeah, on my end it sounds really good. And yeah, no, this GS could definitely take corners really well. GS handles. Okay, well. Kind of looks like I'm at a race course, like I'm about to...
Alright, and how many people you have? Jelly evening, welcome to Jollibee. What can I get for you?
Hey, how's it going, boss?
Good, how are you?
Can I get the two-piece spicy chicken?
The two-piece spicy chicken?
Yeah, that's the one that comes with the mashed potatoes.
Hot and spicy sauce? No, like a salsa.
You don't have salsa.
Oh. Like some sort of tapatio?
You don't have tapatio.
I'm asking right now.
Anyway, they're Filipino. They don't like spicy.
No, we're gonna find out if they have hot sauce at Jollibee or not.
Here you go. Yeah, of course, take your time. Thank you, have a good night.
Oh, also, do you guys have any hot sauce?
Yep.
Oh, it's Tabasco. Got the Jollibees, so let's see what's in here. Alright, starting off, we got the chicken, and then I don't remember it ever come with the biscuit. Did it come with the biscuit before?
No, it didn't.
Well, I ain't complaining about getting the biscuit, so it's there. So this right here, well, the palabok, I'm gonna get that one. We have the spaghetti. Some gravy for my chickens. And of course, calamansi. And what is that? Hot sauce. And the hot sauce. Alright guys, and also, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be pushing out a lot more GS350 content. This was kind of just a filler video. Gonna have a lot better things to come. And also, big shout out to Andre. Andre, you're my first subscriber. So anyone who subscribes right now is going to be part of the day one gang. Alright guys, stay safe, take care. And please, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys.